Rest is not laziness, it's repair. Hello, my dears. I'm so glad you are here with me today. And as I always say, this is my reality, and maybe a little of yours too, okay? We live in a world that confuses rest with laziness. If you are not producing, you are wasting time. If you are not moving, you are falling behind. But I learned something different. Rest is not the opposite of work. Rest is the foundation of reading. When I finally stopped working 60 hours a week, I did not feel lazy. I felt like I was finally coming home to myself. My body had been screaming for years. Burning stomach, constant headaches, trembling hands. But I called it normal. Until one day, I sat in silence and let myself just be. No lesson plans, no grades, no rushing. And in that stillness, my body began to repair itself. Rest is selfish. It's sacred. You don't have to earn the right to pause. You already have it. So, if today all you did was breathe deeply, you did enough. Thank you for being here with me today. I'm grateful for your time and your listen, and kisses in your heart.